Hi everyone, my name is Mariana and this is Vegan Señorita. Have you been wondering about these miracle noodles that everybody's talking about? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple 5-ingredient pad thai. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. A half a cup of almond butter, a 1/4 cup of tamari, 2 limes, and a tablespoon of liquid stevia. Mix that really well until you see a creamy consistency just like this. Here are some other Konjac noodles that I found at the grocery store. This is the one that I made with this brand of Konjac noodles. I really like it because there was a lot of noodles in one package, but alternatively you could use this one from Miracle Noodle. It tastes and looks exactly the same. And there you have it, a super simple 5-minute vegan keto pad thai you can make any time of the day. If you don't have Konjac noodles, I'm going to go ahead and link some down below that you can find on Amazon. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel. That way you get more weekly content just like this. I'm Mariana, this is Vegan Señorita, and I'll see you in the next video.